This video is about how to make easy slime. The ingredients are very simple. I will be providing simple instruction and an easy to follow recipe. I will also include a product list and Amazon links to purchase these easy ingredients. So let's get into it and have fun. Purchase a bottle of pre-mixed glitter glue in your choice of colors. The description is below. Elmer's glitter glue. It's great for making slime. It's washable. It comes in assorted colors. It's great for your slime projects. It adds a bold, glittery pop to homemade slime. It's non-toxic and no-run formula. It's the #1 teacher brand. It's ideal for arts, crafts, and school projects. It's great for creating slime at home or in the classroom. These bottles are purple, pink, red, and blue, and you can also combine the colors for different colors in your projects. You can also use clear glue, such as Elmer's Clear Goo, G-U-E. Elmer's Goo is a pre-made slime. It's glassy, clear slime, and it's just perfect for making these projects. It's really nice and clear. You can add so many different things to make different slime. It's ready to play right out of the container, no work, and it's clear enough to see through. You can have fun mixing in fun things like the beads, fruit, and different forms of chunky glitter, chunky foam. You can just be so original with this Elmer's Goo. Mix in your additions, such as food coloring. I included the McCormick Assorted Food Color for the Amazon link that you can purchase, and it'll ship right to your home. There's red, yellow, green, and blue. This is a great assortment of color dyes. It's very good dye. It's very bold colors, and it's easy to use. It's perfect for coloring art and crafts, DIY slime, and kinetic sand. So you'll use it in different things around the house. You can use it as cake decorating, cookie decorating, and it's just a really good solid color that it will stay for the long haul. It won't fade, and it's very brilliant colors, very well made, so I highly recommend it. Ideal for crafts. 4 vibrant food colors. Use beads. Beads can be added to the clear glue or glitter glue. I highly recommend this package that I have the link for my Amazon links. It's the 120 pack slime making kit. It has gold leaves, foam balls, glitter shake jars, fishbowl beads, fruit slices, sprinkles, sequins, and sugar papers. This is ideal for your art projects at home and your slime. If you want to make something other than slime, you can use it in your arts and crafts projects, scrapbooks, school projects, coloring books, party invites, greeting cards. The uses are endless here. I highly recommend it for the slime making DIY activity that we're doing today, and you won't be disappointed. It will make your slime just come alive and pop with excitement and glitter and colors. So check out my link for this 120 pack slime making kit. Other crafts can be added to the slime. Ingredients. Take a 4-ounce bottle of the clear glue or colored glitter glue, whichever one you'd like to make. You can also make different batches, one with clear glue and one with the colored glitter. So in one bowl, you're going to squeeze one of the bottles into one bowl. You're going to squeeze the other bottle into another bowl if you'd like to make both. 3 tablespoons of buffered or multi-purpose contact lens solution added to the glue. I highly recommend the Equate multi-purpose solution, and I have a twin pack added onto the Amazon link where you can easily go and order. The multi-purpose solution is going to give your slime just a little bit of the better texture, more, it handles better. It's a little bit better than water, but it doesn't cause watery slime. So that's why I'm recommending the multi-purpose solution contact lens that you can use for this slime recipe. 1 tablespoon of fine colored glitter. If you're not using the premixed glitter glue, but you can also add more glitter. I highly recommend this fine colored glitter as it's a little bit more manageable when you're playing with the slime and molding, but you can also use the chunky glitter just for the looks and the effect. It's a little bit more difficult to poke and stretch, but you can definitely try it. You can have 1 fine colored glitter and 1 chunky glitter just for variety. You can go to the link in my description and order it. 2 teaspoons of Arm & Hammer baking soda. I highly recommend the Arm & Hammer brand because this well-known brand has been around for over 100 years. I have the link in the description. You can simply order this 2-pack and have it delivered to your house. You can also use Arm & Hammer baking soda around the house for lots of different other projects if you don't make a lot of slime. You can also use the baking soda for laundry. You can use it for cleaning the sinks and the floor. It's very versatile and it's very non-toxic. So it's safe for the whole family. 1 cup of hot water from the tap. Dissolve the baking soda in the hot but not boiling water and let cool to room temperature. After mixing up your glue and contact lens solution, slowly add the baking soda and water. Mix well. Slime will be more transparent and, well, sparkly. Here's some glitter slime. Enjoy! Be sure and watch our other slime and tutorial videos. It's slime time. Enjoy! Have fun! And I hope your project turns out absolutely phenomenal. Just follow these easy steps and I know you're going to have a great time. More slime to make. It's glitter time. Here's some great bead slime, and it's a great sensory toy. It's perfect to help kids learn and communicate, and adults too. Discover different textures with the slime. Explore various scents. Improve social interaction away from the TV and video games. Learn colors and new ideas. The product links are in the description below. You can buy now from my Amazon links to save you time. Thank you for watching and check out our playlist for more amazing videos. Would you like to know some fun facts about Arm & Hammer? In this segment, we will discuss some fun facts about Arm & Hammer baking soda. An all-around, pure and safe solution for cleaning, deodorization, and countless uses. That's the promise Arm & Hammer baking soda has fulfilled for 170 years and counting. Baking soda is the most versatile product in your home, and Arm & Hammer is the most recognized brand. You know that baking soda is great for cooking and baking. Put Arm & Hammer to work all around your home. With its natural, pure, and gentle cleaning power, there isn't a place in your home where dirt and odors are safe. Safe for kids, mild, unscented, and very inexpensive, baking soda is actually a miracle in a box. But if you know someone that has allergies, then always take precaution. What is baking soda made of? Baking soda has only one ingredient, sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate is a base that reacts when it comes into contact with acids like buttermilk, yogurt, or vinegar.